Hey guys, welcome back to the Bob Hurley Outdoor Adventure Series. I'm Derek Searcy.
And I'm Billy Taylor.
And we're at Sequoia State Park on Fort Gibson Lake. So I was asking Billy the other day, I'm like, Billy, I've got to learn more about camping. He said, Derek, the only way you're going to learn about camping is to actually camp. So we've sit here and we've crashed Billy's campsite, and you want to race?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go. As we promised before, we're going to actually get to the campsite. We're going to cook today. So Billy, I see that we have a couple things here that we carry in the RV Outdoor Center. I see that we got a Firedisc here. So tell us a little bit about what we've got going on.
Yeah, Derek, so what we have the Firedisc, a 36-inch and a 24-inch. Now that is heights of them. We have the 24-inch, which is same thing, but just a little smaller. The shorter people, we try to accommodate for them too. Taller people, we like to accommodate for them as well. So whatever your needs are, yeah, absolutely. Must-haves while out there cooking. They're great to cook on. We've cooked everything from fajitas to deer chili to fish. You name it, I've cooked in it just about. Really enjoy cooking out of the Firedisc. Super easy to clean, super easy to maintain. Hook them to propane, fire them up, and start cooking.
That's awesome. Well, and I heard that not only do we carry Firedisc, but now we're an official dealer for somebody else too. So
yeah.
What's going on there?
Let the cat out of the bag here a little bit. We are becoming a Blackstone dealer. We are going to start having that in store. I'm really excited to get the Blackstone in there and start utilizing it as well. As you see, we already have one here at our campsite we use all the time. We love cooking on our Blackstone and our Firedisc.
Well guys, that's about it from us. We're going to go ahead and eat, so we'll check you out next time.